Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go.
Hello. Hey, Pip streamers. New week, new opportunities. Let's go. So anyway, today was a little bit of a slow market, but I still was able to find some good opportunities with PS2K. Let's quickly go over the results and do a little bit of some light analysis and see what's up. So let me expand this. So these were the results of the day. These first three trades here were actually swing trades, so I'm really not gonna talk too much about these because as you guys know, the majority of my trades are HFT trades with PS2K, which is what all these trades down here are. So at the end of the day, the total was $10,844.13, which after fees comes down to $9,934.21, which is not bad. Now, if you take out those swing trades, if you don't want to include those swing trades, these right here, you're still roughly at about half. So, you know, if you're still doing 5 to 6K with the HFT trades with PS2K, I think you're still good, right? Considering of course, your account balance, right? This is a 200K account. So, all right. So let's go ahead and look at the charts and see what happened. Okay. So now I've been beating myself up over the USD CAD because initially now I was trading the New York session today, which started around here. Yeah, around here because that is, 15. So 8 o'clock, right? So initially it was kind of choppy and I wasn't too sure what it was going to do. So I went and looked at other things, but over time, this is around 10ish, which is close to my window of not doing any more trades. It started moving and I missed it. So you can see it stabilized and then it just started moving up. You can see your mass network is creating more space. And you can see the QC is above the threshold doing its thing. So I could have had one or two hammer times here. I hope some of you pip streamers got some hammer times on USD CAD. So anyway, but I was able to get a couple actually on USD JPY. Let's see, where is it? Right here. So yeah, the day started here, right? And I was watching it. It started dipping right here. You can see the QC went below the threshold. RSI was not in a bad position, but the QC was not in position. But then later on, it started to pull up, went above the threshold, and I put in the first hammer time. It closed, and then at the time that it was still pushing. So I put in the second one, but then it started to dip. But I left it open and just hang in there because when I looked at the higher time frames before, so like H1 was on its way up, right? So that was good. I looked at H4 as well. H4 also was supportive on its way up out of a lower zone, but and then if you look at the daily was actually in a hyperzone, a bearish hyperzone, but it had started to go up, trying to close the hyperzone. And the last candle, which is, the current day, was bullish. So all those indicated to me that my chances of closing that second hyperzone as well were pretty good. And then you have, of course, your QC and your RSI supporting you as well. So all those confluences gave me confidence that I could put in the second one, right? So that's why I did it. And it actually closed after a while, but it closed. Okay. So the other pairs that I traded EJ, Euro JPY, as you can see right here. Even though this hyperzone was probably on its last legs, there was still a little bit of push. So I put in a hammer time here and it closed. And then these were some counter trades. The other thing that I traded was oil. Where's oil? Yep. So this had a hyperzone, a bearish hyperzone going down. I came in a little bit late, but I felt like there was still some money to be made, and I put in some trades. So it had I think maybe 4 or 5 trades here, but then the last one reversed, and it got cut off here. That's the 410 loss that you saw. So as you can see, the QC came to about -45 right here, and the software cut it off and opened a trade assist, which subsequently I closed up here to recoup the loss from this other trade. So that's how the trade assist works. So yeah, so those are the 3 things I traded today, and yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys were able to get some hammer times as well. All right, peace.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.